Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and today I want to answer the question from Quora: how many 6-digit numbers can be made with any combination and permutation of 3, 6, and 2? Trying to build an Excel or Sheets formula. I'm so glad I actually just finished building a really neat function that is adjacent to this. So answering strictly what the question has asked, this can be answered using Excel's built-in function, combine A, and it'll have to be combine A because we're picking 6 digits with only 3 digits given. So what we're looking at is we have 3 digits given, or the number is 3, of which we are choosing 6. And Excel tells us that there are 28 combinations of that. And a combination, again, strictly speaking, does not care about what order those digits are in. So, for example, 362, 362 is the same as 236, 236, or 336622. Anything with 2 3s, 2 6s, and 2 2s is all the same. So there's only 28 combinations. For permutations, we would use the permutation A function, and we would do the same thing. We would say that there are 3 options, and we're going to pick 6. How many permutations? There's 729. And this is one where the order matters. 362, 362 is distinctly different from 236, 236, or 336622. All of those are different permutations. Now, if that answers the question strictly, this would be the moment to say, yep, I'm done. Throw a like, drop a comment, and say that this is where the question stopped. But if we want to actually see what those combinations and permutations are, there isn't a built-in Excel function to do that. And the method of writing one is a little bit too in-depth, but I've already written it. It's a lambda function, and there is a link to a spreadsheet with this function in it in the description below. Copy from that in order to get this function for yourself. I'm going to start with using combine A show because we're allowing for repeats. We have 3 things. We're choosing 6 of them. And I'm going to feed it an array of the values that we're interested in. 3 and 6 and 2. And what this function does is it spits out all of the possible combinations with repeats being allowed of those 3 numbers, assuming that we've picked 6 of them. Now, what we saw before is we only expected there to be 28 of these. If I did just combine A 3, 6, expected only 28, and that's pretty reasonable. We have all of the 28 combinations with repeats spat out here. If we do the same thing with the permutation allowing repeats show, 3 things, pick 6, and then we'll throw in the array using the values 3 and 6, correctly, and 6 and 2. Off. See that there are many, many more options. And again, the reason for that is that, well, here's a good example. These 2 values both have 5 3s and 1 6. In a permutation, those are distinctly different. In a combination, those are the same because order is non-material. Those are the 2 functions that I would use if I was working in an Excel or Sheets formula in order to throw all of those. Maybe not Sheets, I actually haven't tried it in Sheets, but it works in Excel. Again, the link to the spreadsheet with these functions in it is in the description below. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.